Alright, let's make a hardcore world. It's what all the cool kids are doing these days. Please be a good spawn. Oh, snowy, cold biome. Every time I make a new world, it starts off in a snowy biome. I'm gonna keep walking until I find a not snowy biome, because my main single player world is snowy biome, and I want something different. You know, I want a change. All right, let's mine our first stone. Whoa, achievement. We're making progress here, guys. Getting an upgrade. Nice. Oh, let's just get a little bit more stone. Okay, let's do a little bit of exploring. Okay, this way looks promising. There's some flowers. There's some grass that doesn't have snow on it. Nope, all snowy. Alright, let's keep going. This could just be a dead seed. Like, I could straight up just already not survive. We'll see. I mean, I could always just make a tower or dig a hole if I don't manage to get a bed, but... Oh, iron. Nice. Let's just collect this. That's at least something. Oh, village. Okay, villages have beds in. That's perfect. And food. So this'll allow us to start off at least, and then we can work towards finding something that isn't like just freezing cold. Villager just spawned inside the wall. Well, he was halfway in, and then I just touched him, and then oh no, didn't have a chance to save the guy. That was very odd. Just yeah, he was just inside the wall. Never seen that happen before. There's no chests in this village. And I have no food. No. Alright, there's some crops. It's not the end of the world. I just haven't looted all the houses yet anyway. Is there a chest here? Yes. Bread. Yay. Maps. Also cool, I guess. Alright. Yeah, map. Not bad. Oh, I thought it was like, oh, this leads in the direction of green, but it's just the hill. Alright, I'll have to do a little bit more exploring. Look at this fella. He's just... Okay, do it again, do it again. He was just bouncing up and down like in the snow. Yeah, look at this. Look, get a load of this guy, honestly. Villagers are funny creatures. Okay, this chest had 4 emeralds and some pants. Let's see what we can get for some emeralds. Oh, there's a farmer. What will you sell us? Oh, yeah, you have to trade with them to get anything. Oh, I can get another empty map from this guy. Oh, I could get some fancy pants. Or I could get... Yeah, also fancy pants. I like this colour though, to be honest, but... let's be practical. Let's save up our emeralds. Oh, more iron. Let's get that while we're here. Careful of this ravine. Ooh. I swear I heard some pigs earlier, that's why I went out exploring with some potatoes, but I can't find them anywhere. There's like rabbits all over the place, but I don't... Yeah, I think making a rabbit farm, probably not the most efficient food source, so I'll have to, I don't know, keep exploring a bit more. Also, I don't remember actually, like, seeing this mentioned in any snapshot videos at any point. But the iceberg biomes have been massively improved. Massively improved. They look so awesome now. Like, all the other features, like, oh, there's new mountains, new caves. I remember specific snapshot videos. But it's like Frozen Ocean was like getting updated. Sort of, I don't know. It was like a secret or something. But boy, have they been updated. Oh, we have what looks like it could be a plains biome over there. Let's go. I've actually just made a sugarcane farm. And what I've done is I've used a thing I learned by watching a Slice Lime stream, where actually only, I think, 1 in 4 of the things actually need to be water. I thought it was half of them. I was so sure, because I know, like, when Grian made a sugarcane farm, he just did a checkerboard pattern. But if you do them like this, like, sort of like a night move away from each other, in like a circle, basically, if you imagine this is the center of a cross and the sugarcane makes a cross and then crosses tessellate, that's the best way I can think to explain it. But yeah, this is the most efficient way to do sugarcane. And I've also just made a little crop farm because we need to get some cows as quick as possible. What else is actually? I think this is basically all the progress I've managed to make so far. I've come down here because there was a bunch of water. There's no water anywhere else, so look at this. I now have a house. I've got flowers outside and everything. Yeah, okay, this isn't a house. It's not a very good house, but we have just started. Okay, I've got some bone meal now. I composted all the pumpkin seeds that I got. So, oh, you only needed 1 bone meal flour. Nice, wheat already. Let's go get some cows. Wait, what? There's a creeper? Nice, Monster Hunter. Frozen Peaks, my favourite biome. Yay. There's also some cows over here. It's taken a long time just to find some cows, though. So what is going on? Like, there's a ton of mobs all, like, floating down that hill from the top in the water. Oh, they're flower items. I thought there was, like, tropical fish, because I'm so used to those from Lush Caves. Anyway, let's turn hitboxes off, because they look awful. Let's get these cows back home. It's a long way, but I've got a bed with me, so it's fine. One thing I have actually just realised is it's way harder to get lost. Like, unless it's because I play Minecraft more now, and I'm used to navigating. But I have a feeling that it's actually way easier to find your way around with the new terrain, because every individual place is more unique. Alright, we've got some cows in one hole, sugarcane farm, wheat farm, and some sheep in another hole, and something I'm reluctant to call a house, but I mean, I don't know. Okay, actually that didn't look too bad when it was just the one slab. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll build a proper house soon. I'm gonna end the episode here. Like, I know it's really short, but I did this basically impromptu, and it's late, so I'm gonna finish now. And then I'll see you in the next episode.